You guys gonna get a little bit closer together?
Yeah.
Alright, cool, whenever...
Alright. Hi, I'm Austin Cartagena, and I'm from upstate New York.
Hi, I'm Frank, and I'm from Queens, New York.
So I'll start. So when I think of it getting better, I think about being in high school and just kind of like not really like knowing my place, not really like having a place, not even knowing that I had a place, and people who thought like me, who identified like me. Basically, in the past 5 years, I think of it getting better. I think about the day I came out to my dad. It was a hard day for me. I remember I was very intimidated because he's a very Catholic Puerto Rican man. And I still remember the day I came out to my mom right before, and she told me, we have to tell your father. And I was like, can we wait like 3 months, like maybe 4, maybe a little bit? And she was like, no, we have to do it today. I promise, it'll get better. It's exactly what she said. And I came out to him, and his quote was, I will always love you like I will always love Ricky Martin. And I'll never forget to this day just the relief that I had. And he told me that he'll always love me unconditionally, and that's definitely what I think about when I think about it getting better.
Yeah, definitely. If I think about what my life was like 5 years ago from today, it's been tremendously different, and it definitely got much better. When I was 17, I definitely was scared of being who I was. I was scared of talking about who I was. Definitely over the past 5 years, I've been able to be more open about who I am. I think a pivotal moment is definitely when I came out to my parents, and just how intimidated I was, and how much of a burden it was for me, and how basically all along they were really supportive, and it was on me to kind of be more open and just kind of say it. And it definitely got much better after that point, and they were fully supportive, and it was just a really awesome moment in my life. So over the past 5 years, it's gotten much better. Yep.
And now we both work for an NGO affiliated with the UN. It's Outright Action International. We vouch for LGBTQI rights around the world. And that's something that I would have never been able to do if I didn't come out to my parents, if I didn't like take that extra step to make it better.
Yeah.